Welcome to Nari Sikhi, and today let's see how to clean banana flower, banana blossom, or banana heart. Whatever the name it is, it's a very healthy vegetable. So here we are going to remove the big petals. It's like one wrapping the gift. Remove the petals, keep it aside, and remove the stalk. If you can remove it in bunches, then keep it in bunches. I'll tell you why. So one by one, we are going to remove the petals, and the petals can be used for serving. You can make chutneys out of it, tea out of the petals. But right now, let's focus on cleaning this banana flower. So remove the petals, collect this one by one. Now, until when you're going to peel it off, we are going to peel it off until we see banana blossom heart, which is yellowish creamy color. So until we see that, we are going to remove the petals and collect the stalks which are edible. Now the big stalk which is there, that I'm going to discard and put it in my compost. We're almost there, getting to the blossom heart. I'm going to remove the stalk that goes in the compost. Now I'm going to take some water, put salt in that. You can also take buttermilk, or you can put lemon juice. And why we are using this is to avoid oxidation, blackening of this vegetable, because it gets oxidized black color very quickly. So I'm chopping this banana heart and I'm going to put it in water. So you have to soak it in water for 5 to 6 hours. I usually soak it overnight. I may clean it at night, and in the morning I can use it. So it removes the stickiness, it removes the slight bitter taste it has, and also uh, avoids from oxidation, and the color also gets very nice. So once you chop, you put it in the water. Now the stalks, just rub it on the palm, which is optional, just to open it up so it's easy to clean it. So you see the tall part with the head, and there is a plastic like petal at the bottom. So you remove both of them at the same time. So this part which you have removed is not edible. It is very difficult to digest it. Like I can say, it's not digestible, and it doesn't cook also. So that goes in the compost, and this is the stock, we keep it. So again, I'm showing you the close up. You discard the tall part, which is the head. It is a different color, so easy to identify, and the plastic like petal which is at the bottom. See, this is easy to separate out. This is discarded. This rest of the stock we keep. So so once you make sure that all this goes in the compost, it's very beautiful color, and the smell also is good. And this we are going to chop. We are almost done cleaning this vegetable, so we are going to take it in together in a group and just chop it very finely. You can make curry out of this dry vegetable. You can make cutlets, you can make pakoras, so many recipes. I'm going to share one by one with you guys. So now I'm going to pile it and chop it. Once you chop it, put it in the water. This vegetable is very good for bone health, very good for menopausal women after delivery. It's very healthy. It is a lot of fiber. So when I'm always making any recipe out of this vegetable, I don't add too much spices. So now we are going to put it in water and keep it aside for about 8 hours, or 5 to 6 hours is enough. Now worried about my hands, I'm going to just rub it with the lemon peel, and my chopping board also has a dark spot, so I'm going to uh, rub the lemon peel on it. Hands are getting cleaned, so rub the lemon peel on the chopping board. And knife has become very sticky. Some people usually use oil on the chopping board to avoid all this, but I get very scared of the slipperiness. But you can use oil for the knife and the chopping board so it doesn't get dark. And also for the hands, you can use oil before cut chopping it. So this is how it looks. I've washed it with warm soapy water, and it's clean. So now next day morning, this is what I have. I'm going to rub it a little bit more to remove any excess stickiness. And this vegetable is ready to be cooked. Discard the water and take it out of the water. If you want, if you feel there is a still stickiness, you can rinse it with water one more time. So this is all ready to be cooked. So if you have any questions or comments, please post them and tell me if you make this vegetable and how you make it. Thank you and have a blessed day.